I'm underneath this W221 2010 S550. Now this is important because I can't just say I'm under this old Mercedes, because what I'm going to explain to you is different on different models. So this is specific to the W221 S-Class, and that's how in the world do you change the front differential fluid? Hey, I look up in here and I see a plug on the bottom, but I'm looking everywhere. I'm looking in this hole, I'm looking up here, I've got a mirror. There is absolutely no fill plug in this differential. So you go online, you start searching, and pretty soon you'll find out that the way to fill it is to take the axle out. Can you believe that? Take the axle out. That means you got to take a bunch of stuff off the knuckle, all that front stuff has to come off, and then you fill it from the hole in the axle. And I'm thinking, you know, whose idea was that anyway? So the other thing is, you get online, this is really confusing. There's not even any good videos about this procedure. But I got thinking about this morning, and I said, you know, I think we can fill this the same way we fill a 722.9 transmission. If you've watched any of my other videos, or you happen to have purchased the pressure fill tank for the 722.9, you'll recognize this. This is the adapter fitting, which will allow you to pressurize, fill through here up into the transmission from underneath. Well, why not do that with the differential? And look, the same exact fitting works in this W221 differential. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the pressure tank, fill it up with differential fluid that is the correct fluid. We're going to have to measure the exact amount. That's important. We're going to have to measure the exact amount because there's no way to check level up here. And we're going to use pressure in the tank to fill the differential from underneath.